get really shiny gold leaf slime.
Oh my gosh, it feels so cool. You can see all the gold pieces.
But first, we're going to need a few things. We'll be using clear Elmer's glue, contact lens solution, baking soda, some gold leaf sheets, and mixing utensils.
If you're new to our channel, I'm Angelina.
I'm Scott.
And I'm Annabella.
And together, we're the Wild Adventure Girls. To stay up to date with our videos, we'd love for you to pound that subscribe button, ring that bell, and smash that like button. And under 5 seconds, do you think they can do it? Heck yeah! Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Great job, guys. And make sure you comment down below hashtag Wild Adventure Squad, letting us know that you did it. Okay, let's get ready.
The first thing we're gonna do is take our Elmer's glue to make some clear slime.
Yes. To do this, we're gonna add 1.5 cups of clear Elmer's glue.
Now it's time to activate our slime.
To do this, I'm using contact lens solution and baking soda. To do this, we're gonna start with a pinch of baking soda. Then we'll add our contact lens solution. I want to keep adding and mixing until it turns into slime.
Ooh.
Wow, it looks like a waterfall. That's definitely turning into slime. This is so cool!
Whoa!
Yeah, I'm gonna do the whole thing.
It's so stretchy!
It's so big! It can get so big and it's super stretchy.
It's so stretchy.
Whoa, it's like looking through glass. It is. Hello.
Now it's time to take our clear slime
And turn it into some super amazing gold leaf slime.
so neat.
Let's give some shout outs.
Today we're gonna shout out some of our Instagram fans.
I want to give a big shout out to WRHS1234, Augustus Green, Llama Adventures, and Pusheen Corn.
If you want your very own shout out,
Make sure you follow us on Instagram and comment on one of our photos.
we love reading them all.
And always write you back. And plus, they're really fun. Okay, now it's back to our slime. To do this, we're gonna use some fine sheets of gold leaf paper and poke it in. Oh yeah! Oh, it looks so pretty. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Okay, here I go.
Oh, do you hear the crunch?
Oh, that feels so soft and neat. It feels amazing.
It looks really pretty.
I just love the crunch to it. It kind of feels like when you're smashing a piece of like paper or something.
We're gonna fold it all together.
Ooh. Ooh. It's like the clear slime's all pearly, and then with the gold, it's gonna be like the crab in Moana.
Now it sounds when I poke it.
What?
That-
sounds amazing.
Whoa! You can see the gold in it.
Woo! That is so cool.
You can see the gold in it.
Oh my gosh, it feels so cool. You can see all the gold pieces. Whoa. Guys, hear this.
Whoa! It's very crunchy. And it's super stretchy. Hey girls, let's see if we can stretch this whole thing.
Yeah. Okay. Whoa.
I can see you guys in
It's
here.
so long.
No, it's ripping! So tall!
Let's see how poppy it is.
Whoa, it's so tall!
Oh, here it is.
Oh, that's so crunchy. Okay, let's do it again.
Yeah.
Okay, stretch it up. Whoa!
Ah, ah.
Whoa, Molly's stretching it so far!
Okay, no, bring it back, bring it back, bring it back.
Whoa! Oh, do you hear that?
I give this slime a big thumbs up.
Me Me too.
Me too.
Let us know in the comments below if you would make this slime. Okay, bye-bye. Thanks for watching our show. Please subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.
We're going to show you how to make
Super fun and really shiny gold